Hi everyone, this is Parham Khorsandi, attorney at law at Victory Tax Lawyers. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are going to be talking today about the IRS and how they can impact your travel by denying you a passport. So this is a really hot topic. People who reach out to us, a lot of times that's one of their major concerns. They have a wedding to go to out of the country, they're traveling with their family, but they cannot renew their passport. And so we'll go through this now and kind of figure out what it all means, get into the details of it, and provide some information to everybody. So this all started in 2015 under President Obama and the FAST Act. And what the FAST Act said is if you have a major or significant or serious delinquent tax debt, the IRS will report that to the State Department. And so what the law turned into in practice is a serious delinquent tax debt results in somebody who owes more than $50,000. And if you owe more than $50,000 and the IRS is trying to collect from you, what ends up happening is the IRS will report this to the State Department, and the State Department will send you a letter saying, hey, you owe the IRS money, we are blocking you from getting a passport. And so what it doesn't mean, and I just want to be clear about this, what it doesn't mean is if you're offshore or you're overseas, it doesn't mean that they're going to stop you at customs and you can't get back into the country. That's a major concern. That's not what it means. It also doesn't mean that you can't travel. What it specifically means and what it specifically does is if you don't have a passport, or you've lost your passport, or your passport has expired and you need to renew it, and you basically need to get a new passport for any of those reasons, the State Department can block you from obtaining that passport. So if you already have a valid passport, you're sitting pretty, you're doing fine. If you've lost it, or you're applying for a new passport or renewing your passport, and the State Department has you on their list, you will not be able to renew it. So that's how it is in practice. Now, you will get a notice from the IRS and also get a notice from the State Department saying that you're on this list and that you're seriously delinquent, and they put a block on your passport. And there's a few ways to get you off of that list and stop the block. And so the easiest and fastest way for the most part is setting up an installment agreement with the IRS. Once you're in a pending installment agreement status with the IRS, IRS within 30 days will send information to the State Department, and the State Department will send you a letter basically saying, hey, you're cleared and you can go ahead and renew. If you file bankruptcy, that's another way that you can get this reversed. If you file an IRS offer in compromise, you can get this reversed. And if you are in a hardship status or currently non-collectible, that's another way to get this reversed. So a lot of our clients come to us with travel plans and imminent travel plans, and our job is to get them on to one of these statuses, whether it's a hardship or installment agreement, and let the IRS know there's imminent travel, and then work with the IRS to expedite the passport release so that our clients can get their passport and travel again. So it is a major thing that people are dealing with, and our office can definitely help if someone is in that situation. Luckily, you're never going to be held overseas in customs, and they're never going to block you from entering the country if you have a valid passport. But if you need to renew and the IRS has gotten wind that you owe them money, $50,000 or more, this can become a serious issue. If you guys need help, feel free to reach out to us. We do have an article on this on our blog. It's victorytaxlaw.com. There's a whole blog section. We probably have 100 articles written. One or two of the articles specifically talks about this situation. Again, victorytaxlaw.com. For for more information, and hopefully we'll have other videos up and you guys can get some information on the IRS.